I might have waited too long. No! No! I made it! Whoa, nigga. That was down to one. Out here with Roberto Novak. We stopped playing Fortnite for 2 minutes to do some snowboarding.
What you saying, nigga? I swallowed them. Nah, let me stop.
Hey, yo!
Ice on my neck like I'm little weak. We run this shit like a Pericles. It's hell on earth, but it's where I be. Money over bitches on my headstone. Here lies some nigga getting paid, but never take a loss on my headstone. Only take a L when I'm smoking this. I'm gang 3 times on my headstone. Been thugging from the cradle to the grave. Now your favorite rapper name on the headstone. Too late, you already there. Imagine when you're 30,000 feet up with your dick up. Oh, I hated knowing that my thoughts would turn to dream. Cause I never knew I'd get my chance to lick up. Oh, I tell you all of this unusual to me. Swear I came from the bottom, flappers living, walking dead on. Put your favorite rapper's name up on the headstone. Big for the cheese and you're dead wrong. Propaganda set the standards in the tear down.
I hit it doggy style, she throw it back. Yeah, I'm on the mat. It's dark and hell, it's hot, so leave me where I'm at. I'm living how I want now. No reason to look out, it's clear to see. All eyes on me, 400 degrees. Who am I? Ruthless. Easy does it. The chronic smoke in public, hated to love it. The underdogs with liquor swabs. It was written in my diary, the start of war. I'm feeling infamous, immortal with my technique. A revolutionary shining with diamond teeth. Young Don Cartagena, excuse my demeanor. This the glamour life, you still not a player, you ain't half as nice. I'm born again, life after death. I made the sacrifice and super duper fly. Used to keep them hypnotized. I said my name is Juice, America's most.
Alright, let me strap up. You know what I mean? Yeah, kids always use protection. Strap up. So hold up. That's a good angle, I guess. Alright, here we go. Oh shit, I'm going a little fast. A little fast. Fast. A little fast. Oh shit, I made it! Yeah! That's the whole thing, yay! Let's get it. I'll do a push-up. Yeah, do it. Yeah! I forgot. Fuck it, we out. I want niggas bumping Takashi out here, son. There's some good niggas out here, too. There ain't no boxes, bro. I've been all over this mountain. All the boxes have been put away. Just number fucking jumps. Man, how am I supposed to stay on my grind if they don't give me nothing to grind?
Ain't no half step, I see you at the crossroads.
Put money over bitches on my headstone. Here lies some nigga getting paid, but never take a loss on my headstone. Only take a L when I'm smoking this. I'm gang 3 times on my headstone. Been thugging from the cradle to the grave. Now your favorite rapper name on the headstone. Too late, you already lived. It was written in the children's story that life's a bitch, so what you want? Every day I struggle with it. Only God could jump me slipping. I'm infinitely big pimping through the genesis. That presidents drop a gem on me.
There we go. Alright, we're back in this bitch.
I'm hello nerve, these the last days, throw your guns up. Get money, quiet storm, having suicidal thoughts. For the cream, renegade. For the money, only green is the lemonade. I'm a player on the late night tip. So the triple said, she the prototype, tip drill, get some fingertips. Reservoir dog, check the sky. kiss of death, friend protect your neck. Shame on a nigga. 3 dope boys in the Cadillac, grave digger. Put money over bitches on my install. Here lies young nigga getting paid, but never take a loss on my install. Only take a L when I smoke it in. I be gang 3 times on my install. Been thugging from the cradle to the grave. Now your favorite rapper name on the install.
Scared the shit out of me.
Too late, you already dead. Right now I'm on the edge, so don't push me. Troublesome to 9 to 6. You a shook one, Reeves and all the ledge. I'm your pusher. What's that? I smell pussy. Let me count my guns. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run. Hi, my name is Dirk Cobain. Like a pimp, here I go to the next episode. Ain't a damn nigga this explosive. Beast Coast shit. Reload it. Fuck them other niggas. Ride or die for my niggas. Strictly for my niggas. Survival of the fittest. That's the sign of the police. I'm in deep cover earth. Skirt, skirt, lean back. Give me one more chance. They say Jesus walks and the devil wear Prada, but I'm so deaf. God can't tell me nothing. Right this on my death certificate. I gave you power. 21 questions like who shot you? I shot you. Warning. Watch them niggas flashing like paparazzi. 2 words. Fuck bitches, get money. Tonight's the night. Guess who's back on my block? Rather unique. I look at shocking.